The HVLP Paint Sprayer 1000 watt is equipped with a powerful high-torque motor that provides significantly greater efficiency than standard options, allowing for quick and professional-grade finishes. With its large 47-ounce detachable container, this sprayer allows for extended painting sessions without the need for frequent refills, making it ideal for large projects. It offers precision control with adjustable spray patterns and 6 different nozzle sizes, enabling users to switch seamlessly from detailed work to broad surface coverage. This paint sprayer features an efficient cleaning function that allows for complete cleaning in under 5 minutes, making maintenance simpler than many competitor models. The product comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, including multiple nozzles, sealing rings, a viscosity cup, and protective gear, ensuring you have everything needed for a smooth painting experience. Backed by excellent customer service, the manufacturer provides dedicated support to assist with any issues, ensuring a hassle-free experience with this paint sprayer.